Big up Crosses TV. Crosses TV, hold on there, what is now?
Why the ladies are use a devil's part in her song when she a child of God to gain a forward on stage? Answer the question that me not care about nothing else. Answer that question.
Dr. Love, guess what? You have to ask her that me can't answer the question.
But lady, you see, this is the problem in the music industry with females. And we like to be, don't like to be hypocritical. And I'm telling you right now, you cannot answer the question. When Stitch go past you,
I can't answer it. It's Minister All of answer the question. Why she did it? I don't know why she did it.
Listen, I'm a Queen Africa she attack. A Queen Africa na bleach. I know she.
A bleach leader. Spice not bleach. Spice is a very beautiful chocolate.
Ladies are come out and say Spice bleach and she a fear back and fear breast out of fear mode. What are you talking about? What are you talking
hear that. Me never hear her say that, so me don't know. Me never hear her say that.
Now you see them about lady and you never hear nothing yet. Wait for hear. Wait for hear.
Yeah, she say Spice. Me never hear she say it's a Spice bleach. Oh, come me never say Spice bleach.
The way you depend on the internet up and down like me. You are going to tell me say you never hear she said that yet?
I'm telling you, I never heard her said it. I never did.
Well, guess what happened? Listen.
Me tell enough lie pan her. Me not tell no more lie pan her, Dr. Love.
I want to tell lie pan.
No, all you me tell lie pan too.
No, me not tell me no man. Me not about me. Who else you tell lie pan? You tell lie pan Maka?
No.
You tell lie pan Queen Africa?
No.
You tell lie pan Sensia and Pampati and none of them?
No, me don't know them like that for tell lie pan them.
You tell lie pan Lady G?
No, me don't know like that for tell lie pan. Oh, Lady G, I'm a girl. You don't know Lady G, I'm a
No, we. No. You just say you tell lie pan enough of them. So who you tell lie pan now?
Lady G, that me tell a Lady G, I'm a doll.
So she a dog?
Me doll. Me dolly.
Listen to me, Lady Ann. Listen to me. Lady Ann.
Yeah.
Listen to me in our fight. I just hear my family. Because when people hear you scream,
Spice the bleach. She wasn't talking about Spice, Dr. Love. She wasn't.
Lady Ann, me say if I could have obey you right now.
Dr. Love, why we can't make peace? Why you can't Why you can't come on a live one day and say Lady Ann, Minister Al, Spice, Queen Africa, Macadam and Lady G, Pampita, all of we can live good and cut out the bullshit and the bickering and become as one. I
never said. Publicly. Listen to me, Lady Ann. Yeah, whisper. I don't blood clot ladies are hypocrite. And I'm not saying no that she a hypocrite. You all are una hypocrite, including me a hypocrite. Man, guess what happened? I am not saying it because she a hypocrite and she a demon. So it not gonna happen. You only have to, you listen to me, I say no, you only have to say that because you get a hug yesterday. No tell me no foolishness at all.
Dr. Love, she hug me all the time. And at first she hug me. But what I'm saying, last time I see her, and why we kiss back?
When was that?
But
when was that?
Couple years ago, me never see her.
Wait, before COVID.
Yes, before COVID.
Yeah.
Dr. Love, you see, Minister
I apologize to Minister. We never apologize to Minister. Minister Al, aka use one big old hypocrite old mongrel. You're hypocrite and wicked as a female.
Me have love for all of them, Dr. Love. No care me go. Me love Spice, me love Minister, me love Maka, me love Lady G, me love the whole of them. Lady,
you don't love all of them. Don't bother with them. You don't love all of them.
Yes, I do. Only one female artist me no like. Oh, two.
Which one? Who that?
Artists me no like. Two female artists me no like. Let me say that man moon give a fuck. Two alone. You know one of them, but you don't know the next. You know the two of them, but you never know something like that one name. But you know the me not call no name.
Then call name. You see a hypocrite now call him a winner like. Who you talk?
And Dr. Love. just chef who can change the world and live in a love and unity.
No. Why not? Then take your money.
You don't want to live by with female forever.
Then take hold on. Then take your money.
What money?
No, wait. The one you like. Then take money from you.
Them do worse than that. One of them send me for drop dead, and one of them do whole for wicked things to me.
Then of them ever take your man?
My man now look on them. Them
Right, hold on. Any of them have a gun at your throat?
Me only have the 2 cat them, so I kind of man them out take the 2 cat
No. Me know they have 2 cat and 2 Batman cat have in the house. Me know that.
Right, so me not no man.
What may I say to you, say? Lady, I say to you, say no. So you hate them? Them have put gun at your throat?
No, them the worse than that. Them the worse than that. Them the worse than that.
They obey you?
One of them.
Oh, you know they obey you?
Because them family tell me.
Them family did them tell us that they obey you? Did you see them obey, man?
No, that's I'm not pay it no mind.
Accusation. So why you still get them?
But me follow them go over, man.
You follow them go over, man. So where you go over? So where you go over, man, for?
We did have a clash, an all-female clash, and them said to me, say them go check a friend and I go with them. But when I got the place now with them, I never forgot to go, but I remember when I go one place with one little zinc top with some bench, with some bench, and then me stay outside and she go in at the house, go talk to the lady and come out back.
Did you want to go over there, somebody? Yes or no?
Yes.
So,
Female artist.
Okay, so you wouldn't if you go there one female artist, right?
Me never know what you didn't hear what I say. Well, I know. Listen what I said. They said them are gonna look for a friend. I'm go with them. It's after I realize says who be a person them go. So
did you do anything while you were there?
But I just said, don't I tell you I sit on outside on a bench while they was inside?
So that but lady, you're part of it because when you go there and see them, why you never left and go home?
How could I know it's not a friend the person go listen go to? I tell
no, but you know, lady, you know over shop, I mean over shop, because them have flag and buckle and sitting in the yard. I know over shop.
No, none of that never did here. It was like a little, you know when you have a little hut with some bench and it's zinc. People come in and sit down and they go in one at a time.
Okay. I said them are going one at a time. Did it have a sign to say there's a doctor here? A doctor was there? A spiritual doctor?
None of that. If we don't know, none of that.
So if you say but if it's somebody that go in a one zinc place or sit down one after time. Unless a battery not go and them up people. Where you do that?
They never said it, they go in one at a time. It was only me and the lady were there. When we go with.
Yeah, talk about the woman that sing with the woman with on Facebook. What's she name? Julie. What's she name?
No.
The woman name?
No man, I don't lady Julie man. Me go with she too. Me follow she too.
Lady, but did you tell the people them where they go? Did they know who they go there for?
But no, say she go. She did that. The lady Julie one. She did a run a dub program. This me good. And when she got to the artist is hot at the time, and the artist charged her 60,000 per dub.
You know the rest artist, yeah.
Charged her 60,000 per dub, and she said to him, say 40, and he said no, 50, and she said agree, and then she said come on, I'm jumping down the under prelude with her, and she go down play, and when me realize when she go, me run up back and me say me now come with you. And she go in there, and she left on the way when we go watch me and in blood clot, when we done 20,000 song me again. And then when she go, when we go, and me swear she go, me run up back, me say me now come in there with you, you're too wicked. And she go, and she come back, and she say watch me and him. And remember, we go back up and mixing lab. She hug him, she kiss him with a red lipstick, and him price drop all the way.
Yeah, me know the rest artist, me know he still a blaze, yeah, me know. Listen to me now. What may I say to you, lady? You know, said me.
Well, I know. That's why when she didn't get the award to go give the next one, for judgment.
That's a cable time. We know about cable time. We know about that already.
All right.
Well, listen up. Me in one car. I drive and me have drugs in that car and police pull me over. You think police are gonna lock me alone up?
No.
The
You man
Bible
like up a
Fire, listen. Fire go there. Fire go there. Fire go there, lady. That means you go there walk up and your part of it.
I never go inside. I tell her sit down in the car and wait for her to come out.
Lillian. I wish I female artist you know like.
Nah, call her name.
So you're afraid. So you call ladies on name on the internet and tell like on your favorite call name.
Because she come want it wonder.
So how much it you have?
What if I eat?
No, but Lillian, wait now, how much it you have? You have people have a lot of stuff. How much it do you have?
What if I eat? My whole album was I eat.
Alright, I'll go, but Lillian, wait for the
Sat up was I eat. Don't you burn was I eat. Remember say, me I come, me not the journey longer than them, you know. So my eat them whenever.
So which song are the biggest song you have? Which song are the biggest song you have?
It for my biggest song in a Jamaica.
After that.
You know I'm finished. It farmer, I'm a biggest hit in a Jamaica, but Vanity, I'm a biggest song worldwide.
Yeah, Vanity.
Yeah.
When that one come out?
It come out before in farmer, it take me to the world.
When me only song me know about in farmer. Me
Me
know that.
It depend on the bouncing rhythm produced by GG Records.
Listen to me. Right now, big man think that you know me and afraid. I mean, people me and lady and afraid. Me and worry, but you know me tell the truth. Lady, right now, you just come out today there trying to cry wolf and trying to cry peace with that. When you know we did nothing.
I'm just trying to make this time for we live good. We are big man now. We have grandchildren. We are me soon start never knowing me have great grand. And me that tell me just think it's time for live in a love and unity in a swag one world. Me think a time for me think a time.
So, all right, Lady, what the biggest lie you tell for lady, sir?
So me Sarah Wobby man.
So you never see her there?
No.
So why you do it?
Because she come want it wonder.
So you couldn't tell her something, you say, like, with the one would say, you see her, I give somebody a back. I
don't know nothing to tell her that I could have said for bone her.
So that's the biggest lie?
Yeah.
So why you never company this man, party in this man, say you tell her, but I say, you see her up there, man.
I wait them, I've been do that about a month ago. I've been do that about a month.
You want to tell lady stars, since you want to. Tell lady sir say the woman with the dog bite up her yard, like how she get money, she need to go pay the woman her money. That's what need to go do.
Hold on. Ain't that lady son, the lady business? How should I get involved in that?
You see your life is? So when you come on stage yesterday and I chat about spice and all of that, I never call spice name. I'm not trying to be hypocrite. You see, say you're hypocrite like me now. You see for yourself.
But that tell her, all of them. Why would I go and tell her that when it's not my business to tell her that? If she know, well, I know. If she know she owed the lady debt, it's her job to pay the lady the debt. It's not my job to tell her what to do.
Lady Ann, you know you come like me tell you come like some cousin. When you and them not really agree, but them not like you know, like when you see them, you give them and say, you see $100, you're the best cousin in the world. Like that, your ladies are because all of a sudden, your ladies are best friend this morning and you tell them for that the other day.
Do that. I did a live about 2 months ago when with the Ninja Man situation, and I said, and I make a promise, and I said this, I apologize to her, I tell her I love her, and I said this, as long as I have life, I will never come on the internet and bash her again for no reason, because she have never done me nothing wrong. And DrLove, I remember the day, hold on, more listen, we should not bash her. You know why? I'm grateful, because I remember the days when she asked, I'm in a record factory, I'm hungry and nothing now going for me. She used to feed me. She used to give me.
You know what you're expecting now? You know what you're expecting now? Look at what I expect now. You are expecting ladies to go come out here now and say, lady, and I love her so much, I love her and give show. Ladies are not you want blood clot touching up your body. No matter with it.
DrLove, I am not looking for that. She don't have to say that to me. She don't have to come and say that. I don't. Because remember, she have never do me anything. I'm the one who take up.
Lady Tato. Go in that church, Tato.
Speak to Dr. Love. I'm the one, you listen. She have never done me anything. I am the one who take up people business by my head and come talk shit. I take up musical business, musical female and a female business by my head and come talk shit. And she called me, I want it one and it burned me. You understand? She have never, and you have to face the fact that you know she never do me nothing.
Me know, after me know one boy and lady sir, what you know?
Things when me know. You know so she not do me nothing. Can me tell you? So me I buy you. Me tell you. When me I hear them on the phone and chat one of them say, Dr. Love, you know, so I just bad, my bad and love, give me some chum, catch you not do me nothing.
Listen, what you need to do, go down by your knees right now, like what you tell like Pana, and ask that forgiveness and get right to Batman pussy and tell her.
I already did that. I already did.
You go down by your knees, mommy?
Yeah, because you know why? When she grabbed me and she said to me, say, I love you so much, that she hurt me. You know, say, this woman have never done me nothing, and I go up on the internet and beat her like that, and she still tell me say she love me. Whether she mean it or she not mean it, she said to my face, and that was enough to do the job.
Enough to do the job. I'll tell you something, lady Ann. You and me know some hypocrite. If ladies, you know, say it's coming right up down the road, you just find something. Come beat ladies, sorry. Can't guess what happened. Me, I tell you this.
Listen. Where's I want to go?
Eventually, something will come up and you're going to be in it again.
No, I'm not. You mad? Anyone me ever do that, my pick them take over phone, every tablet come me having to flush them down the toilet. Me children them, I get serious with that internet something and
Lady, where two posts that we have?
Let me say me can't find Simma.
Go for two Batman posts and sweep on them.
Find them. Hold on them. Me flick the camera, make you see big dirty lazy Simba. Me flick.
Tell me where I do two Batman posts in your yard.
So dirty Simba up on one chair, right? So you see him?
Yeah.
You see Simba? Nana Rudy there. Nana Rudy. That a big dirty Simba. You saw him fat?
Then Batman, you say Batman post?
Yeah, Batman them. If you see the fuck of them. Me not the young but
the unity, me tell something. The unity where you are chat, the unity where you are chat.
You see me picking like me, Dr. Love. Rudy in there? Me say I can't find Rudy. Me say I can't find Rudy for you. Rudy while they on the table, I look something for cheap. Oh, so Rudy that watching Master. The Master Rudy there.
You look like a Batman for you. If I see me no.
The Batman, that one when you Rudy.
So, lady, listen to me, I say that now.
Yeah.
You see the unity where you try to expect and where you try to build right now, not go happen. So, yeah, what you do? You better you go to church with the time, yeah? If you know what I mean.